youth leader, our chief guest for today, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, Baba mwenyewe, the People's President, my colleague governors, members of parliament, protocol yote ikiobserviwa, comrades ria. When I was in the university, I was the Secretary General. Nilikuwa comrade mkuu na tulikuwa tunasukuma pale kweli kweli. Na leo we are very privileged to be invited here for the birthday and Thanksgiving of Dr. Oburu. What we can say to Dr. Oburu is may God bless him na muongeze miaka mingi na asonge mbele. Hata 80 more akiongezewa tutakuwa sawa. Minping, you have walked this journey with us as women governors. We don't take it for granted. Now as women leaders of this country, you held my hand when nobody knew me as a young woman. Kawuono andako nyaburi. Tokane foda nyako matinto minping no. Say, as a people, comrades, are you here? Comrades, are you here? You are the generation. You are the generation that is going to break this country out of bondage. You are the generation that Baba is counting on. You are the generation that we are all counting on to get our people from bondage. Mko tayari? Comrades, are you ready? I can't see you. Comrades, are you ready? As a people, Kakoganda, we are one people, united behind our leader. And our leader is none other than Raila Molongawa. Wale wanakuja hapa na mambo ya porojo, nyoko hapa na pale. Nataka tuwaambie, sisi kama jamii tumesimama nyuma ya nani? Baba. Sema tena,